Hi guys, welcome to my new channel. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to add tags fast in YouTube video. This is going to be real quick. After watching this video, you'll be able to add a huge number of tags for your YouTube video in less than a minute. Now, according to YouTube, tags play a very minimal role for YouTube search ranking. So because of this, I actually recommend not to spend excessive time in finding relevant tags for your video. All I would do is copy and paste tags into your video tag box, then remove the tags that you don't think are necessary. And I really would only spend like a minute or less on this. Okay, so if that's what you are interested in doing, let's get right into it. Now to add tags, what you need to do is simply open up Google Type in Rapid Tags. Select the website, rapidtags.io. Basically what you do, you just enter your main keyword of your video into the search bar. Hit the search button, and rapidtags.io will generate a list of relevant tags for your video. And the great thing about this is these tags are quite high-ranking tags. They're not some randomly generated tags. Once you've generated these tags, take a moment to review each tag and just remove the ones that are not relevant. Okay, that all looks good. Once you're satisfied with the selected tags, click the red copy button to copy all the tags to your clipboard. Now that you have your tags ready, it's time to add them to your YouTube video. Open YouTube Studio by uploading a video as you normally would, or selecting a previously uploaded video. In my case, I have already uploaded a few videos, so all I need to is click on the pencil icon to access the editing options. Scroll down until you get to the tag section. Simply paste your copied tags from Rapid Tags under here. Just remember to click the Save button, located in the top right-hand corner of the screen, to apply the changes to your video. Again, this will save you a significant amount of time rather than having to add the tags manually one by one. So if you're struggling to find tag ideas or just want quick and effective solution, then just use this website, rapidtags.io, put your keyword in, and it's going to generate some tags for you. Hope you found this tutorial helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by clicking the thumbs up icon. I would really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to address for you guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.